Welcome to the world of Spencer. Today, I will be doing a Bugs Bunny craft buddies, and you get in the pack. So I try, baggies, clay, and a pen. I the bottom of the Bugs Bunny figure and the Bugs Bunny figure. And can you when was Bugs Bunny featured in the first time of the Looney Tunes? Drop it in a comment. I will tell you the answer at the end. And now let's start with the A's. I which are a grey colour. But I won't be using the pen, I will be using the vacuum pump pen.
Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you own.
And that's what it looks like after stage A. And now we will be starting stage B. which is an orangey colour.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know.
And that's what it will look like after stage B. And now we will be doing stage C, which is a greeny colour.
Know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time.
And that's what it looks like after C. And now we will be starting stage D, which is a creamy colour.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground.
And that's what the D's will look like after it's finished. And now we will be starting stage E, which are a whitey colour.
Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. The church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you want.
and that's what it looked like when the E's are done. And this what will Bugs Bunny will look like when it's finished. And the answer to the question that I said at the start for the first appearance of Bugs Bunny on the Looney Tunes, he he appeared in July 27th of 1940 in the episode of I Wild Cat. Hmm. This has been the World of Spencer. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.